Ever seen those dreamy, cinematic portraits that look like they're taken during sunset? In this video, I'll show you how to turn a basic photo into a cinematic golden hour portrait using Google Gemini AI. It's simple, fast, and the result looks like a professional photo shoot. First, select a good quality photo of yourself. Make sure your face is clear and the background isn't too busy. Even a normal indoor or outdoor photo will work. Clarity is the key. Now open Google Gemini. You can upload your photo directly, and in the message box, you'll write a special prompt that will give it that cinematic look. Here's the exact prompt you can use. A minimalist portrait of me wearing a simple white t-shirt, soft golden hour lighting, warm natural glow, shallow depth of field, ultra-realistic skin texture, 4K resolution. Once Gemini generates your image, check the lighting and details. If it feels too dark or orange, just tell Gemini, make it a bit brighter with natural tones. Gemini will instantly adjust it for you. When the image looks perfect, download it and do a small retouch using any photo app. And that's it. Your normal photo is now a stunning golden hour cinematic portrait, all done with Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one with more amazing AI